Mancio. Hi, everybody. I'm here today to announce a mentorship. I'm following a startup in the program of WeSportUp, who's the accelerator of the state venture coordinated by Sport e Salute in Rome with YLab. My friend Federico Smagno has involved me in this as a mentor for startups that will be involved with me. And I'm here today with Pietro Allegretti from Penguinpass Sport. Hi, Pietro.
Hi, Carlo. Thank you for having me here.
And we met in Rome some months ago, and then again, and then together with Womco, another startup that I will announce also this week, I've decided to, and they have decided to have me as a mentor. So we started to work together with Pietro, and I wanted to take the occasion also to coordinate this and announce the mentorship. So tell me about Penguinpass Sport. What is exactly that you're doing?
Yeah, sure. Well, Penguinpass is basically an event management tool. We started with the fashion industry, but in 2021 we were approached from two very important sport federations, FIGC, Italian Football Federation, and ICC, International Council of Cricket, and they have exactly the same need. The relationship between them and their sponsors and the sponsored guest. So let's say that we understood there was a market, and so we started a specific vertical on sport, and that's why we are now in WeSportUp, in order to accelerate it and to build the perfect product on the sport hospitality.
Because I think one of the things that attracted me is that you have kind of, I call it a sophisticated approach to hospitality. It's not just an accreditation software. Otherwise, to be honest, yes. Yeah, and I'm sure there is a huge need for that, right?
Yeah, right. I mean, we try to, let's say, track the behavior of guests inside the hospitality venues, because we think that an event without data is like an event without guests. So basically, we have introduced two main features, AI and machine learning, in order to predict the number of guests. That is very important when you are facing the catering cost or the hall capacity, the venue capacity. So it's very important to understand how many people will attend. And the second part is IoT, because we, with the guest app, the guest could interact with the physical space, and we can track their behavior inside the venue between them, so creating networking opportunity in the business opportunities inside an hospitality area, but at the same time also from the perspective of the organizer to understand how they are interacting and how they are perceiving the space of the venue and the hospitality they are running.
But is it true to say that, because I'm thinking from the end user experience. So I'm coming to one of the events in fashion or in sports that you're supporting in terms of event management. How is the experience for me as a user different, or can be different?
Well, imagine that you have downloaded the guest app on your phone, and so you can access with a VIP welcoming. It means that you have not to show a QR code or to say your name, maybe with the spelling problems. And so you have immediately some, let's say, problem at the access of your experience. So with the distant recognition, we can detect guest app in distance from our check-in app. And so we start from the access to give and provide you as a guest a nice experience. Then when you're inside, no matter if you're dealing with a sport event or a fashion event, you can interact and get information about what you're looking. I mean, you are, for example, the wine you're drinking or the music you're listening or the people that are around you, you can understand where you are, with who you are, and so you will get, as a guest, the maximum as experience from your time, from the time you spend in that hospitality area. So we think that from that perspective, the guest will enjoy his experience, and it will get some more, let's say, important things for himself. That's what we think.
So it will improve the experience. And I think the fact that you started in the fashion industry is a sign that that was a sophisticated experience. I just saw we have the festival del Cinema in Venezia this week, and Armani was honored with an award, and he did a huge party on his yacht that was there in Venice. I can imagine this kind of situation, but that works also in, if you want, hospitality for sport events and things like that. So, and you're also entering, I think, some other areas of the sport event side where you can help people with, entries and recording users, etc. What are you missing in this phase? What will help you grow? So if someone is available to help, maybe, or have ideas.
Well, I mean, we have a product that works. We have very important clients, both in fashion industry and in sport industry. And we think that we have just to, let's say, replicate. So we offer our service all around the world because we are working now with ICC. They're running the World Cup in India this year. So what we would like to do is just to make people test how it would be different to use Penguinpass. It means, in terms of workload reduction for them as organizer, because it's very simple to use. It's not like, the software with so many tabs and features and setup. It's very simple because we know that who is organizing an event has not much time. They need to focus on the event itself. And so the processes, invitations, RSVP, replies, reminders must be very, very, very simple to use.
And it's a pure, sorry, Pietro, it's a pure SaaS platform.
Yes, correct. Yes. With, let's say, two appendix, the check-in app and the guest app that you can use if you want at the venue in order to have also the IoT integration. That is what it makes us different from the other players. Let's say that AI and IoT are the two things we are working so hard to make a difference between from us and the other players on the market.
Okay, so thank you. We'll see you in Rome, I think, in 1 month, if I remember well, to see the demo side with all the other startups. And yes. It was nice. It's nice starting working with you from today officially. Thank you, Pietro. Say hi to the team.
Hi to everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Ciao, ciao.